Hi guys, it's me again, Hendrik from JB Toys, and as you can see here with my minifigure wall from Lego Star Wars, this video is all about Lego Star Wars. We do have new sets. We do have the 75304 Darth Vader helmet with 834 pieces for a price of $69.99, so quite a, let's say, cheap set for the parts included. It's available from May the 4th, and you can already buy and pre-order this one as well as the fantastic Scout Trooper helmet in our online shop. We launched our English version of the online shop in March this year, and we do have a flat rate shipping within Europe for $12.99, so you might be interested in buying some Lego stuff in our shop. This one and many more Star Wars items do have a special offer right now with a special Lego Star Wars minifigure poster, free available when buying a certain amount of Lego Star Wars items. If you do like this product or our video, make sure to leave us a comment and a thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. That's all for the moment. Let's start with content of the box and then followed by speed build.
Before we start, let's take a closer look to the box and what's inside the box, the content of the box, if you were to say that. It's an 18 plus set, 834 pieces. We do have a beautiful layout of the box, the Lego logo, the Star Wars logo, of course, Disney also included. And then on the top you can see the Darth Vader. You can see the Darth Vader logo and the Imperial logo on it. On the left side, just a display picture of Darth Vader again and the helmet collection. And on the back you can see two additional pictures from the movies in comparison to the Lego one. And this picture shows quite impressive how good the Lego one potentially is. You can immediately recognize what it's supposed to be, and that's the game. Darth Vader signage again, and now let's directly jump into the Lego bricks. We do have 5 bags full of Lego bricks, 5 numbered building steps, and a small sticker sheet only. It's way smaller than the Scout Trooper one, and a beautiful designed building instruction with the Lego logo and the item number on it. Some words to Darth Vader on the first sides, and one of the most famous pictures. Then the brick separator, the different building steps, and on the last page of 2 pages, the mostly black pieces. That's it for the moment, and now let's jump into the speed build right now.
Well, it's done. As you can see here, the marvelous Vader helmet from the helmet collection Lego Star Wars is ready for review, for a detailed review. And the result is quite impressive. 834 parts included in this 70 € Darth Vader helmet, and the result is very good. I really like this helmet, and my family also does like it. So it's a good indicator for a normal Lego customer, because normally I'm not allowed to display any Lego Star Wars in the living room or something like that. Yeah, you can see the result of the build here. Some colorful or colored parts, of course, inside this helmet, but it's not too bad, because you normally would display the Vader helmet in the shelf like this, so no wrong parts or colored parts are visible in a normal view. All the building techniques are quite unique and very interesting to build. The complete build is different than the previous ones, of course, because it's another helmet, and we didn't have any of the same helmet right now in the collection. Perhaps it will change whenever we will get a Mandalorian helmet, will be nearly the same like the Boba Fett one. But for now, they are all unique in build and from the optic. Some stickers applied. Unfortunately, all parts that could have been printed, at least these 3 parts. This one I'm not too sure about that, but yeah, we will have to use these stickers, because without these stickers it wouldn't look as nice as now. The complete front of the helmet, from my point of view, is fantastic, and the combination of the normal plates and the slopes and the tiles are very good as well, because there is a difference between this section of the helmet and that one, and yeah, it's very recognizable from the first second you see this helmet. The building and the construction is like this, and you can take a closer look inside the helmet, how it's done, all the different angles made with hinge plates, hinge bricks, and yeah, a lot of details and a lot of unique building techniques included in this helmet. So the results, there are 4 of 5 JB stars. Why not 5? I really love this helmet, but from my point of view, there is always missing a collectible minifigure for these sets, because yeah, a Vader helmet with a Vader minifigure on a display stand would be the perfect match, and that's something Lego should change in the new for 2022 perhaps. That's why I can only give 4 of 5 stars. The price is fantastic for these 800 pieces. The result is looking very nice and very detailed. So the only thing that's missing is the Vader minifigure. Yeah, that's all for the review for Darth Vader, the 75304. It's available right now for pre-order in our online store. And we do have a Europe flat rate shipping, so you might be interested in buying that one in our online shop. Yeah, make sure to leave us a comment on this video. We do have a lot of review videos to come and already made some of the most interesting ones. So yeah, that's it for the moment, and see you next time. Bye.